Hello, I'm Krista Hauk, Realty Specialist for Lands and Minerals. I'm going to take you through Section 6, Submitting Application Attachments in ULA, Utility License Application. There are two sections to cover. 1, Plans and Maps for Land and Water Crossings, and 2, Certifying or Signing the Application. Plans and maps should include a full route map that matches the ULA application crossing table with all numbered crossings, a closer view showing the crossings in the surrounding area with state land boundaries or water locations and roads, a zoomed-in view showing the exact locations of each crossing with the project right-of-way corridor and measurements, pit or pole locations, and the distance from the center line of the road. Maps and plans should be professional or engineered maps or legible hand drawings. Please send only information specific to the application. Do not send plans for other project information not on the application, such as full road projects or pipelines outside of the application project area. Aerial maps for water crossings should show which side of the road the line will be installed, the distance from the center line of the road with the exact crossing right-of-way location, culverts or bridge widths, the distance from the ordinary high water level, which is the top of the bank to top of the bank or shore to shore, and locations of bore pits or poles. Bore pits or poles should be a distance from the public water or top of the bank to avoid erosion issues. Plans and cross-sections for water crossings should include the width and length of the crossing in feet from the top of the bank to top of the bank or shore to shore, and the depth of the line under the bed of the water. A minimum of 10 feet is required. If it must be less than 10 feet, an explanation is necessary. Aerial maps for land crossings should show which side of the road the line will be installed, the distance from the center line of the road with exact crossing right-of-way locations, distance in feet across the state land with state land boundaries outlined and split by 40, and locations of any bore pits or poles. Please attempt to keep bore pits outside of state land. If trees will be cut, please note that on the map. Plans and cross-sections for land crossings should include the width and length of the crossing for the utility right-of-way in feet for each 40, the state land boundaries, and the depth of the utility line below the surface of the land. The application fee, which is required for all applications, will be automatically calculated in ULA and can be paid online with a check. Online or a check can be sent. The fastest method will be an online payment. The fee chart can be found on the Utility Crossing License webpage. The license fee, along with additional application fees for more than 2 crossings, as well as timber damage fees, property damage fees, or monitoring fees if applicable, will be billed at the time the license is sent out for signature. These fees should only be paid when billed with your license, not with the application if you're sending a check. The application will be certified or signed by checking the signature box in Step 7 on the ULA application. An example is below. The application must be recertified or re-signed each time a change or update is made to the application. This ends Section 6.